welcome to my YouTube. Oh God. I'm not wearing anything under this pinafore, so I'm trying to keep quite still. Right, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can spice up a boring outfit. And today we're going to be talking about pinafores. Now, a pinafore is... Oh, right, I'm just going to get her off, hang on. A pinafore, in my opinion, is such a good opportunity to layer up, because obviously you have to wear something underneath it, and I'm not doing that right now. The reason why I'm not wearing anything under my pinafore right now is because I have a couple of outfits to show you, and I didn't want to use them in the introduction. So I thought it would just be best not to wear anything under it. So, I feel like pinafores can either be styled in a boring way or in an interesting way. And in this video I'm going to show you quite a plain way of styling your pinafore, like this one here. And then I'm going to show you an interesting, unique way of styling it. I'm going to make this a video series with different items, so like this will be episode 1, the pinafore. And then I want to do an episode 2 of another kind of item, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so let's just get on with the video because I can't stop talking and it's getting annoying. There is so much potential you can do with a pinafore. In my opinion, the worst thing you can do is wear a black t-shirt underneath it. No. It's all wrong, love. You may well think that this looks nice. But I'm telling you now, once I finish with it, this is nothing. I'll show you exactly what I've paired this with at first. So it's a plain denim pinafore. I don't have any shoes on because I have to admit that I don't have any shoes that are boring enough to go with this boring outfit. But yeah, oh yeah, oh sorry, I didn't mention the bag. I've paired it with a black bag. Now I actually do really love this bag because it's kind of like a 1920s sort of bag. But yeah, you don't want to go pairing it with just a plain old black bag, black t-shirt, and then you've got the denim pinafore. You can do better than that. You're better than this. So I really want to know what your thoughts are on this outfit, because I bet you some of you are going to actually like it and prefer it this way. I can just see that happening. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Anyway, so yeah, I've got quite boring hair, not done anything to it. It's just quite flat and boring. Right, get ready for the transformation. The new outfit, the new and improved outfit. I've got the little bow in my hair. Done myself a little hairstyle. Got a pink polo top underneath the pinafore. I've added a few little badges. Painted my nails and put some really cool high tops on. That's what I've done. I think that's it. Oh, and put some lipstick on as well. I would also always say, right, if you don't want to do anything else, put lipstick on. If I was going to add anything to this outfit, it would be lipstick. If that was the only thing that I could add, it would be lipstick. I think. Or maybe the hair. Maybe. Oh, and the bag, I forgot to mention that. This bag, I just literally got the other day from Primark. So, it's very cheap. But yeah, I just thought it was really cute. I would love to know what you all think of the outfits. So, whether you prefer the first outfit at the beginning of the video with the black t-shirt, or whether you prefer the outfit that I'm wearing now. Let me know down in the comments. The reason I made this video was because I just wanted to show you that even if you have something that's quite plain in your wardrobe, you can easily jazz it up with accessories and just making other parts of your outfit a little bit more interesting. So yeah, I will be doing another episode of this series, probably on how to spice up a t-shirt and jeans, I think. I think that's the next one that I'll do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one, which will be a week from now, I think. It'll be next week sometime. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe as well, because let's face it, I'm not exactly getting a lot of subscribers. So help me out.